November 3rd, 2020. Assigned but not possessed. Much land remains to be conquered. I myself will drive these people out of the land ahead of the Israelites. So be sure to give this land to Israel as a special possession. Include all its territory as Israel's possession when you divide this land. Joshua 13, verses 1, 6, and 7. Even though the Israelites had already taken 31 kingdoms in Canaan, God said much land remained to be conquered. Interestingly, God told Joshua to assign those enemy-controlled regions to Israel before they took possession of them, because he promised to drive out the enemy. Years ago, when I stepped into the promised land God offered, he assigned every square inch of its freedom to me. Even though I've defeated many of that land's giants, God often reminds me that much land remains to be conquered. For example, the enemy of fear sometimes keeps me from speaking the truth. Pride often brings out my judgmental attitude. Or jealousy sometimes clamors for what others possess. However, my loving Father intends for me to possess all the blessings he assigned. No enemy is to hamper that freedom. So this is how God drives him out. First, his Holy Spirit makes me aware when the enemy is near. And then his word reveals truth to combat enemy lies. And his presence gives me courage to obey his directions. And then God drives the enemy out so I can possess what he assigned. So why would I nibble on a few grapes in one little corner when I could enjoy the abundance of the whole land? It is time to possess what God has already assigned to me.